What if I told you the secret to a calmer mind, better focus, and a wealthier life starts with just 10 minutes of stillness a day? Let me ask you something. Have you ever tried to sit quietly, maybe after a long, stressful day, just to find a little peace, only to be trapped by a noisy, restless mind that refuses to calm down? It's like the moment you decide to be still, your brain goes, "Hey, remember that graceless thing you said 5 years ago? Let's replay that on loop." Sound familiar? You're not alone. The idea of meditation sounds peaceful, but when you actually try it, it can feel like trying to train a wild animal using nothing but patience and hope. Now here's the truth most people don't realize. You don't need to be a monk, a yogi, or sit in silence for hours to experience the benefits of meditation. You just need to understand 3 simple things. Just 3. This isn't some fancy trick or over-the-top spiritual stuff. They're real, grounded, practical steps that anyone can follow, whether you're 18 or 80. But before we get to those, let's clear something up once and for all. What is meditation, really? Meditation isn't about emptying your mind or reaching enlightenment. It's not about sitting in a cave, chanting something you don't understand. At its core, meditation is the practice of stillness and awareness. That it's about being fully present, calming your thoughts, and giving your mind a chance to breathe. It's how we train our brain to stop reacting and start responding. Sounds simple, right? And it is. But simple doesn't always mean easy. That's why most people give up. They try it once, get distracted, and decide it's not for them. But you're different. You're here because you want something more. Maybe it's peace. Maybe it's clarity. Maybe it's control over your emotions, or even a pathway to greater success. And meditation can give you all of that. So, let's break it down. The 3 essential steps to creating a meditation practice that actually works. The journey. Building your practice. 1. Your environment. Setting the stage for success. Let's start with your space. You can't expect your mind to relax in the middle of chaos. So if you want meditation to work, your environment has to support your practice. Find a quiet, comfortable place where you feel safe and undisturbed. It doesn't need to be perfect, it just needs to be yours. This could be a cozy corner in your living room, your bedroom floor, a chair by the window. Now, here's something important, and I can't stress this enough. Sit in a position where your spine is upright and relaxed. It doesn't matter if you're on the floor, in lotus position, or just sitting in a chair. What matters is that your back is straight. Why? Because when you lie down or slouch, your body gets a different message: time to sleep. And meditation is not nap time. If your body has any problem, you can lie down on your bed if needed. Otherwise, it's better to sit in a comfortable place. A straight spine keeps you alert but calm, focused but relaxed. Now, to protect your peace, here's a quick checklist. Silence your phone, or even better, airplane mode. Let your family or roommates know not to disturb you. Set a timer. Start with 10 to 20 minutes. Don't aim for perfection. Just aim to show up. And if your mind says, "This is boring," smile and keep going. That's part of the process. 2. Your technique. Keep it simple. Keep it real. Now for the big one. This is where a lot of people get overwhelmed. You go on YouTube or Google how to meditate, and suddenly you're flooded with methods, mantras, breathing patterns, chakra charts, and your brain explodes before you even start. But here's the truth. You don't need 99 different methods. You just need one. Here it is. Close your eyes and gently focus on your breath. That's it. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now just notice what's happening. How does the air feel as it enters your nose? Can you feel your lungs expanding? What's happening in your body as you exhale? Do your shoulders drop a little? Does your jaw relax? Just observe. Don't force anything. Don't try to do it right. Now here comes the part that tricks everyone. Your mind will wander, and that's okay. You might think about your to-do list. Just notice the distraction and gently bring your focus back to your breath. This gentle returning. That's the real practice. That it's like a mental push-up. And the more you do it, the stronger and calmer your mind becomes. 3. Your consistency. The missing link. Now, let's talk about the one thing that separates those who try meditation from those who truly live it. Consistency. You can have the perfect environment and a simple technique, but without consistency, your results will be temporary. The people who feel the deep benefits of meditation, the calm, the clarity, the confidence, they're not better than you. They're just more consistent. So, here's the key. Meditation, a non-negotiable part of your day. Just like brushing your teeth, eating breakfast, or checking your messages. Same time, same place, every day, even if it's just for 5 minutes. Even if you're tired, even if your mind feels messy, because that's when it matters most. Need help sticking to it? Try this. Meditate right after brushing your teeth or right before your morning coffee or just before bed. Tie it to something you already do. That's how real habits form. And here's what you'll start to notice. Stick with meditation for just a few weeks, and everything starts to change. No, you won't float off the ground or suddenly become a Zen master, but you'll feel different. Stress won't stick to you as easily. You'll pause before reacting. Your thinking will become clearer. You'll sleep better. You'll have more patience and more presence. And perhaps most importantly, you'll start to feel rich, not just financially, but in time, energy, and peace. You'll stop running from your thoughts and start leading them. You'll stop chasing happiness and start feeling it in the moment. And when that happens, you become unstoppable. But there's one more thing. What if you took that same consistency, the same daily practice, and applied it not just to your mind, but to your money? Because wealth doesn't show up overnight either. Just like meditation, abundance grows through small actions repeated daily. It's called compounding. And it's one of the most powerful forces in the universe if you're ready to not just calm your mind, but create lasting success, inside and out. It's the perfect next step if you're ready to turn mindfulness into momentum and peace into prosperity. Thanks for being here today. Now take a deep breath and begin. If this resonated with you, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel.